Hello and welcome to the Coffee Direct kitchen. Today we're really excited to share with you our recipe for the perfect Irish coffee. For this recipe, you'll need 2 tablespoons of your favourite Coffee Direct coffee. We recommend our Italian coffee as it's got the perfect amount of strength and body for this recipe. Or if you really want to go to town, then you could use our stunning Irish cream flavoured coffee. So first, mix together 140 millilitres of double cream with a dash of vanilla extract and 2 tablespoons of Irish cream. And then set this to one side. Next, brew your coffee using your preferred brewing method and 250 millilitres of water. Then, in the bottom of your serving glass, pour 1 25 millilitre measure of Irish whiskey and 1 teaspoon of dark muscovado sugar. This sugar will give your Irish coffee a beautifully deep and aromatic sweetness. Then pour your freshly brewed coffee over the whiskey and the sugar. And then stir it to combine all those ingredients. Next, using the back of a metal teaspoon, layer your cream mixture on top of the coffee. So, and that's it. A simple yet indulgent recipe for what we think is the perfect Irish coffee. We really hope you enjoy making this at home. Be sure to check out the full range of delicious coffees at coffee-direct.co.uk. Click on subscribe to be kept up to date with all of our coffee content.